Let me ask you a simple question. Is your home still the right fit for your life today? Not 5 years ago, not 10 years ago, but today. Because what we're seeing right now across West Michigan is that there are a lot of people starting to feel it. The home that once made perfect sense is starting to feel more than they want to manage. It doesn't always show up all at once. Sometimes it's too much space that you're not using, or too much maintenance, too many stairs, or just a quiet realization that life is changing. But here's where most people get stuck. It's not the idea of moving. It's everything that comes with it. What is my home actually worth? What should I fix? And what should I leave alone? What do I do with everything that I've accumulated over the years? And how do I even begin to plan for something like this? That's where the overwhelm starts. And the truth is, downsizing is not a real estate decision. It's a life transition. And when it's handled without a plan, it feels chaotic. But when it's handled with structure, it becomes simple, predictable, and even freeing. That's exactly why we're hosting a free educational event this April called Retirement Lifestyle. Is your home holding you back from the life you want? This isn't a sales event. There's no pressure, no pitch, just clarity. In this session, we're going to walk you through what your home may be worth in today's ever-changing market, which updates actually matter and which ones don't, how to approach decluttering without feeling overwhelmed, and how to start building a plan that fits your timeline, not someone else's. We'll also have an estate planning attorney there, and he'll be talking about how to stay in control even as you begin simplifying your life. Because this isn't just about moving, it's about making smart, confident decisions. And as a bonus, everyone who attends will receive our 2026 Downsizing and Decluttering Guide, a step-by-step resource to help you get started right away. And if you've been thinking about making a change, or even just starting to explore what that might look like, this is the place to start. Join us Wednesday, April 22nd from 5:30 to 7 p.m. at the Kent District Library, Kentwood branch. Seats are limited, so go ahead and reserve your spot now at smoothmoveseminar.com. That's linked below. We'd love to see you there.